Pastel. You having your breakfast? Good morning, energetic puppy. She's got something on her little head. Oh, she's scurried away. Oh, it fell off, dang it. Good morning, little one. Oh my goodness, you got quite a pile, dear. I changed out Pastel's new toys to be Gryffindor red for Gryffindor Day. Good morning. Tummy. Tummy. See, happy Gryffindor Day. Happy Gryffindor Pride Day, everybody. It's Monday, huh, Tommy?
Assuming you can just break the box down, like you're not gonna...
I'm probably not gonna keep the box, no, but I would like to actually look at the pop versus you unboxing my own Funko Pop.
Do you want the Yoda one too?
Don't touch the actual camera.
Alright, that is yours. Back up. Back up.
Oh, can I just say she? Because I know it's not
It's so
supposed to be,
cute!
it's not supposed to be gender, right?
Yeah.
She's so cute. I always just thought of Mew as a girl. I don't know why.
I think the Pokédex entry even says girl.
Gosh. She's just as cute as I thought. Look. Look at her little tail.
Oh.
Oh.
It's amazing.
Now we can reenact the final scene of the Pokemon movie.
I love it.